Aave Labs and risk assessor Llama Risk warn that the lending protocol could face between $124 million and $230 million in bad debt following the Kelp DAO bridge exploit. The exact scale of losses depends on how Kelp DAO chooses to socialize the impact of its $292 million bridge breach across affected depositors and token holders. Exploiters manage to deposit compromised RSETH tokens as collateral and then borrow heavily in wrapped ETH across several Aave markets, rapidly draining millions in available liquidity. To contain the fallout, Aave urgently froze its WETH lending pools to halt further leveraged borrowing against the tainted collateral and limit additional protocol damage. This breach now stands as one of the largest DeFi incidents in recent history, posing a serious threat to Aave lenders and confidence across decentralized finance. Sentiment is fearful today, with Bitcoin near $75,500 and Ethereum near $2,300 both posting modest losses. Bitcoin is sliding toward the $75,000 level, currently near $75,548, down roughly 0.75% on the day. The drop comes after former Federal Reserve Governor Kevin Warsh, a candidate to lead the central bank, pushed back on the idea that President Trump pressured him to commit to interest rate cuts. Warsh stated that the president did not demand such a pledge, immediately cooling speculation that a Trump-aligned Fed would rapidly ease monetary policy. That shift removed a key bullish macro narrative that had helped support digital asset prices across the board. Meanwhile, Ethereum is also lower, falling nearly 0.9% to near $2,305. The price action underscores how tightly Bitcoin is trading around expectations of future liquidity and political pressure on the Federal Reserve, with the broader crypto fear and greed index at 33, firmly in fear territory. In notable movers today, Token M is up 19% on pure momentum. DoorDash is partnering with financial technology firm Stripe to pay its delivery workers in stablecoins through Stripe's new payments blockchain, Tempo, across more than 40 countries worldwide. This landmark collaboration marks one of the largest real-world enterprise deployments of stablecoin payroll ever attempted in the gig economy and could expose millions of delivery workers to crypto payment rails for the very first time. Rather than relying on slow traditional banking rails that can take several business days to settle across borders, workers may receive their earnings almost instantly on-chain, underscoring a major leap from pure speculation to genuine everyday financial utility. Stripe further solidified its long-term commitment by announcing a dedicated stablecoin advisory team focused entirely on deepening institutional on-chain payment infrastructure for major global enterprises. The move arrives as broader crypto markets trade with notable caution, with Bitcoin near $75,548 and Ethereum at roughly $2,305.49, while the Fear and Greed Index reads 33, indicating widespread fear among investors.